लास्ट ईयर किसको सबसे अच्छा पैकेज मिला? Those who have got the highest package. Offer information I got 52.8. It is Shikha. So nothing much I could arrange in a short time, because just today morning I was thinking it is missing somewhere. So somehow, just with the whole day very busy schedule, I sent them and made a small memento. Just arrange it. Please bring one memento. I was supposed to mark her name and others from next year onward. Definitely I'll do it. A great round of applause for But ये memento recognize करता है that every good thing should be recorded. Thank you. Next it is Bharat. Good afternoon. अब मीनिंग आप लोग निकाल लेना क्यों भरत को ये और दूसरा वाला शिखा को। That is thought process of your friends. आपका मोबाइल कहाँ पे? ये किसी दोस्त को देते और बोलते हाँ चल मेरा एक फोटो ले ले इस तरफ से। यहाँ पे तो लगे खाली मैदान में किसी ने किसी को दिया। नहीं, उसका सोचो ना, कंप्यूटर साइंस का वाइवा जैसा ही सोच है। ये फोटो उस तरफ से नहीं, इस तरफ से इंपॉर्टेंट था। और उससे भी बड़ी बात है, आप कहीं पे भी बोलो, फैमिली को दिखाओ कि टुडे आई गॉट दिस फॉर माई, अदरवाइज आपके पास कोई रीजन नहीं है बोलने का। कम दिस साइड। Yes, everyone at the back, that is important. Send me the photos also. As time was very short, I was not able to arrange the mementos for everyone who got packages or who have not even got packages but done something very good and difficult. But I just got phone names: Tarun, Aditya Raj, Harsh, Yashwant. I request all four come here. Memento है, तो please come. One memento I have small